There are literally people turning $300 into over 3 million. Guys, the newest meme coin craze is upon us. Robinhood meme coins, that's right, Robinhood chain meme coins are starting to blow up. And one of them is what Robinhood was actually called in the beginning, CASHCAT. This thing has gone up thousands of percent, thousands of multiples. It's literally sitting at what, like $175 million market cap right now, has turned people into millionaires overnight, guys. And this is why meme coins are still good plays, because you can become rich, insanely rich, just overnight. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. We're going to be talking about CashCat. And yes, guys, it's a meme coin. So everything that I talk about here on this channel is not going to be financial advice. I'm here to cover things that are popping, things that are trending, and I cover crypto every single day. If you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. With that being said, let's get straight into it, because guys, there is so much that we need to break down right now. Look at this chart here. I mean, this almost doesn't even look real. This thing is up 4,323% in the full month. If you really and truly think about it, it's up 21,000%. This thing has gone on an absolute tear, and really and truly, it started to take off July 7th. Now it's been 3 days, right? It's July 10th today. Let's see just how much it's gone up from July 7th, about 8.4 million all the way today, or even just this peak at 200 million, up 2,272%. But the real truth is, guys, people were buying this thing even back here in June and in early July. Like, if you got into this thing at sub $1 million market cap, guys, you would have made a boatload of money. I think one of our best calls that we've done here on this channel, here, let me actually load it up to show you guys, okay? One of our best calls that we did here on this channel was JYAI. Now, I don't know the market cap that's sitting at right now. Still holding at around 700,000. Not too bad. Okay, but we called this thing, right, even from our entry point. It was at literally, guys, at $20,000 market cap. Okay, let's compare it, right? 32,000, whatever, that's the lowest we could get. It ran up to $21 million market cap, which is absolutely insane. Now, this is still probably one of the best performing calls that we have ever done here on this channel. So yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed, because when the bull market comes, guys, we're going to be dropping a bunch more bangers like that. Now, CashCat is obviously pumping because of the Robinhood chain, right? It's fresh, it's new. The Robinhood CEO literally backed it as well. Let's take a look at some things that have come out. CashCat experienced an explosive rally exceeding 1,400% with the 24-hour window, positioning it among the market's strongest performers. The digital asset reached an unprecedented high of 0.1418 before retracing to approximately 0.1202. Across the preceding week, CashCat has accumulated gains surpassing 5.5 thousand. Okay, 5,500. This remarkable price action unfolded even as Bitcoin declined 2%, indicating the surge stemmed from token-specific catalysts rather than broader market momentum. And again, yes, that was the case. I've been saying this before, guys. Some meme coins here and there could likely see pumps. That's not indicative to how the entire market is performing, because crypto right now is brutal. Bitcoin, Ethereum is not performing the best, but that doesn't mean there can't be a meme coin that just comes out of the blue and pumps away that CashCat does. Now, early investors scored massive gain. Blockchain intelligence provider Lock On-Chain documented two remarkable profit stories. A single participant converted an initial $800 investment into $1 million after purchasing 15 million CashCat tokens and maintained the position for 20 days. Turning $838 into $1 million is a $1,200 or 200x return, which is insane. And then another trader spent $838 to buy 15 million CashCat 20 days ago and held until today. After CashCat skyrocket, he sold 13.5 million for $917,000 and still holds 133K today, bringing his total to over $1 million, which is absolutely insane, guys. That's massive, right? Obviously, you love to hear these success stories are brilliant. But again, guys, there are so many stories out there of people that had the inverse happen to them, right? They've bought maybe $5,000 worth of CashCat, and now they're down to 2,000 because they bought the top. So again, this is a very small percentage of people that win. And when they win, you get to hear about it because it's massive, right? You love to see it. It's huge news. Let's keep going, guys. Here's the website. The cat that became a hood, the mascot of the movement before the movement had a logo. CashCat honors the origin story. Before the Green app, before the IPO, before the GameStop saga, Robinhood was CashCat, a cat with a fistful of cash and a mission to democratize finance. The cat became a hood, the mascot became a movement, The name changed, the spirit didn't. Every commission-free trade carries a little bit of CASHCAT DNA. CASHCAT is the mascot returned to claim his ticker. Zero utility, obviously, 100% cat, backed by historical fact, native to Robinhood chain, 1 billion total supply, no buy or sell tax, and 100% liquidity pool burn. And the keys are thrown apparently into the litter box. I love the artwork for this thing. It's like a little silly cat here. I mean, like this just cat looks like he's super weak. I love this. It looks phenomenal. I love it. Here's the phases. I don't think there's anything too crazy, guys. It's not serious. Again, this is just trading on hype, and it's fresh. It's new. The grass is greener on the other side type of crypto. I don't read charts. I am the chart. Now, please be careful because the hype has kind of entered the station, right? The FOMO is already there, so I don't see this thing going too much higher. Now, I don't want to get hate for saying that because listen, guys, markets are rough right now. Markets are brutal, so please protect your capital. If you made a lot of money with CashCat, now is the time to be taking profits. Now is not the time to be top blasting because at 173 million, now there's a lot of eyeballs on it. There's a lot of people that are waiting to get in. There's a lot of people that are waiting to buy. So just keep that in mind, okay? Please do not get wrecked out there. CashCat explained before Robinhood had a name, it was called CashCat. Co-founder Vlad Tenev later disclosed it publicly. A mascot cat carrying cash built around democratizing finance. In 2026, Robinhood enters crypto infrastructure, and in February launches Robinhood chain testnet built as an Ethereum layer 2 focused on RWAs, tokenized stocks, on-chain lending, and 24/7 markets. On July 1st, Robinhood chain mainnet goes live, connected to 27 million funded Robinhood accounts late July, early July. Anon Dev launches CashCat, native to Robinhood chain. Everything changes July 8th. Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev tweets, while we're building Robinhood chain to be the best chain for RWA, it works great with memes too. Within hours, CashCat explodes, up nearly 1,000%, market cap crossing $100 million. That is absolutely massive. That's the power of just a single tweet, and that is the reason why we are seeing it at the price that it is at right now. A trader misses out on $3.5 million after selling CashCat too early. Listen, guys, okay? He turned $68 into $700, a 10x. Now, I know in the grand scheme of things, it sounds like, yeah, but he could have made millions. Like, it's unfortunate, but hey, profit is profit. If you guys are able to look at it that way, then I promise you, you will not get wrecked in these markets. Because listen, if he made that flip into that 10x and he never took any profit, can you imagine when the market reversed and he just went down back to zero? That would be horrible, right? CashCat explodes to 150 million. CashCat surges 50% in 24 hours, briefly pushing its market cap above 150 million before pulling back. The Robinhood chain meme coin is still up nearly 4,200% over the past 7 days. The rally also helped Robinhood chain DEX volume to reach a record of 563 million on July 8th. Massive stuff. I can't wait for the future of Robinhood chain. I'm excited to see what other meme coins kind of come out. And yes, I probably will be buying some memes on Robinhood chain. If you guys want to know exactly what memes I'll be buying, you need to be a part of the inner circle. Check the link down below, guys. Click the link. I don't want you guys to miss out. This is where I'll be posting all of my trades, all of my buy and sell alerts. Link is down below. I'll see you guys inside of the inner circle. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all. Peace out.